Sunday, August 22nd. Back with some more stocks we're looking at. Yeah, small cap, large cap, everything in between. TIGR, Tiger, you could say, Up FinTech Holdings. This started as an IPO way back in 2019. Look at this run back in 2019, went from like 8 all the way to 24. And then this went down till June till 2020. Small little move here to 4. And then, yeah, pretty much sideways till July. It started to break up a little bit towards what's that 8 level. Came back, more sideways action till December, January, where like most of these stocks, SPACs, EV stocks, like these charging stocks, anything like that, they really broke up. So yeah, this one from 8, little pullback here to 16, all the way to 38. Incredible run. That's the thing too in the stock market. You can play weeks, months. You could just sit in a swing. You see this starting to move up. You're down here. Let me give it a shot. As long as this 13 is above this 20 EMA, you're bullish. See, even this move, excuse me, it was a fake out. So right here, did it crossover down? No. You give it an opportunity to prove it's going to go through, and it didn't. And when you have a straight up run like this, and you look at the weekly, I'll show you, it was bullish. So, but this came back down all the way to like 16, bounced to 24, came back again, formed this like zigzag back and forth as far as the highs getting lower. Yeah, it found support like 14. We bounced again to 28. But see this, the high is now getting lower. Even on this move, you couldn't get over as a double top. Then we came back. And where we're at right now, this got a low as 1233. You're oversold here. We could bounce. Let's take a look at the weekly. The weekly had this nice move up. See this right here? And then came back. See, red over white, it's bearish. Crossover right here turned to bullish. So your weekly's big. You don't necessarily have to get a monthly. If you're playing monthly, you're going to play in months. Weeks is pretty good. That'll take into account pretty much a month. Most of these moves are a month. Sometimes more, sometimes a little bit less. So now we're down here now. This is looking like it tried to cross a little bit. Now it's going back down further. It's not a good sign. The monthly, see the monthly made the run up. See the high divergence. You just mark your line like this. We're getting lower each time. The bounce. So, this didn't hold this previous low back here at 1289. Or 1345 it closed at. We go lower, 1345 doesn't hold, you go into 13. This low here, 1233. So, if this doesn't hold, you're going lower. So I think we're going back to 12. Could we get a bounce up? Yes. If we do bounce, we could bounce a 14 to the 16 level or the EMA. See this? White is over pink. That is bearish. It's still a bearish move. So, this doesn't look good right now. The chart is in a downtrend. You could get something happens in the market or something. This bounces up. You could get back to 24. It's a long ways away though. FCell, it's another stock, one of these charging stocks, energy. This was a penny stock and it really came up pretty big. January 2020, it got in this zone from about 3 to like 1 to 3. Look at this, back and forth, almost a full year till December. And then look at this volume here, 200 million. This is when the market, they pushed it up. The powers that be, pushed up these SPACs, charge stocks, EV stocks. These, what are the other type of stocks too? There are these, companies that are like holdings. They're like, they do transactional stuff as far as like companies. I forget the name exactly, but it's almost like they buy companies, but they don't actually do anything. They're just like a middleman, something like that. So this got up here to 4. Look at the volume. Big move up, touched near 11. Gap down if you're playing this. really back and forth move. Came to 8, back to 14, and bounced again after this. Look at these. See these dip buys here, here. 18 got all the way as high as 29.44. Now the whole way up here, these tried to break through. See, like never did though. It, made a little curve. They're dip buys. They're all dip buys. Then we came back down, another wedge form. You've seen this in the videos. 8 all the way to 12. And then we got down. Now right here, I thought we were going to come back in this gap. I was wrong about that. You get out immediately. As soon as this happened, this move, you got to get out. So that didn't work. And then we came down this bounce here. I thought this would be a nice little bounce. We start to move, but everything's still in this downtrend from here. See this, these bounces, each high, it's the break above this, but you're still getting lower in the overall picture. You're at 583 right now. Very oversold. Let's take a look at the weekly. There it is. So you see 4, and look how this pink's overweight. This was clearly bullish. You see these on penny stocks intraday. We came back down, tried to bounce here. See that weak bounce? You draw a line here. This was weak. This didn't break above anything. You got the highs getting lower in the stochastic. You're lower again. And you have white over pink. That's the complete opposite of this. So to me, this is telling me this is bearish. And let's look at the monthly. In a monthly, see a red overweight, it's bearish too. As much as these green candles went up, they're going down just as fast. Trying to cross a little bit. I'm not convinced this is the bottom. So we broke all these levels. So where we go now? I would look for, 555 on here. And then this is going back way to right here. Go all the way down here. See this here, this was the level right here. A 3 is when this breakout occurred after a year. Are we on a 3? I'm not sure. I'm not positive at this point. Try to move this over now. Move this down. And you can see right here, the trend is down. Bounce, bottom of this trend line, bounce. And that's where we're at right now. So, I mean, you could get a bounce in here. We'll see if this does move up a little bit towards 6 to like 8 level. But overall, this is down. It's got to prove it's going to come back up again. A lot of these stocks have to prove it. They're just in a downtrend right now. Now, a lot of this too tells me all these stocks are going down. It's not good for the overall market. Yeah, you want these not to do this, but, go up slowly. And that's not happening. So the market looks like we're in for a peak soon. Like, you're going to get a 5, 10, 20% pullback eventually here. So watch that. All right, so that's it for TIGR and FCell. Please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button, leave comments. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Kim and Alerts. StockTwits, Mike Kim and Alerts. And TikTok, Mike Kim and Trades. That is it. Peace out.